Let's solve this question. If n factorial is greater than 1 into 1 factorial, 2 into 2 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial, and plus up till 19 into 9 factorial, where n is a natural number, the smallest value of n is. I have to comment on the smallest value of n such that n factorial is greater than this sum, and this sum is 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial plus 19 into 19 factorial. Now listen carefully. This series is given, right? We have to comment on the value of n. So for that I need the value of this sum or the series of these the sum of this series, right? To find the sum, obviously I cannot find the sum of this series by adding these individual terms, right? Because I cannot find the value of 19 factorial. In fact, I cannot find the value of 12, 13, 14 factorial. It would be a very large value. Okay, so there must be something to get the sum of this series, right? So observe carefully. I can write these terms. These are natural number 1, 2, 3. So I can write these in terms of some difference, right? Because it's a telescopic series. So telescopic means terms are increasing. So there must be a way in which we can cancel out some terms so that we can find the sum of this series. So I can write this one as a difference of its consecutive natural number, right? 2 minus 1 into 1 factorial, right? I can write 2 as 3 minus 1 into 2 factorial plus 3 as 4 minus this is 4 minus 1 factorial into 3 factorial, right? So I can write these terms as 4 minus 1, and I can write 19 as 20 minus 1 into 19 factorial, right? If I simplify this expression, it becomes right, 2 into 1 factorial. 2 into 1 factorial becomes 2 factorial, right? Minus 1 factorial plus 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 factorial is 3 factorial only. So 3 factorial minus 2 factorial plus 4 into 3 factorial becomes 4 factorial minus 3 factorial, and this series goes on till 20 into 19 factorial becomes 20 factorial minus 19 factorial, right? Now we can cancel out some terms, right? 2 factorial, 3 factorial minus 3 factorial. So this 4 factorial will cancel out the negative, and these negative terms, right? This first term is cancelled out, so this last term would be cancelled out with some previous term plus 19 factorial, right? So there would be only 2 terms left, and these are 20 factorial minus 1 factorial, and 1 factorial we know is 1, right? So this sum, I'm assuming this sum to be s. I know this s is something less than 20 factorial, right? Because this sum is coming out to be 20 factorial minus 1, means it would be slightly less than 20 factorial. So I can say it would be slightly less than 20 factorial, right? If it is less than 20 factorial, so I can say if n factorial is greater than s, so the minimum value of this n would be 20, because I know s is less than 20 factorial, so 20 factorial would be greater than s, right? So the lowest possible value of this n could be 20, right? Because all other values are more than 20. So this expression or the sum is less than 20 factorial. So 20 will be the minimum value. So correct answer to this question would be option A. Option A, 20 would be the correct answer, right?